Hey guys, we have a watch unboxing. It's a new year. I'm getting new watches in. And the first unboxing of 2019 is a Citizen watch. It's a very rare watch. You're not going to get this in the States. This actually came from overseas. But for some reason, I don't know how these guys do it online. They ship it to a place and then they ship it to you with a priority. So really cool. I've never really seen that before. But it's funny, the outer envelope came like this. This is how it came in my mailbox today. So this was kind of open, but luckily for me, inside is the I guess this is the bundle that comes from overseas. I think this came from Sweden. So it just has like District E as a return. I don't know how this works. Maybe it's like one of those global shipping things. So you put that over there. I have my caliper, and it's going to be very important for this unboxing. So put this to the side. So that's weird. They put in priority envelope. I like that. So wristwatch check. I have my Casio on this really cool NATO strap. I've never had a NATO. I actually just put this on last night, and I'm enjoying this. I wore this today. My family and I, we're going on vacation for Martin Luther King week. We're going to Antigua for a week. So I figured I'd put this on a NATO strap for my vacation, because Antigua's a hot country, so that's going to be very breathable. It was previously, if you guys saw my previous video, it was on this strap here, on this rubberized kind of butterfly clasp strap. So definitely recommend getting this one. I get a lot of compliments on this watch, simply because I know it's you guys see my video. It's an $80 Casio watch, but it looks like a Omega Speedmaster, and a lot of people mistake it for such. And when it's on this strap, it definitely looks like a Speedmaster. So I kind of like the flair of this watch. 40mm watch. I like that. And that's why I ended up getting this Citizen watch. This is a first, actually, for me. So let's get this open. I spend way too much time talking. So this is first time I'm seeing this watch in person. Again, you cannot buy this in the States. And this watch did not come with a box. It came... I don't know what this is. It's weird. Look at that, guys. Sorry, but I know it's kind of dark in here. It's like, what time is it? It's 8 o'clock on a Friday night. We're flying out tomorrow. So I just got this in the mail. I actually bought this watch for my vacation too, to wear. But you know what? I wasn't going to do a video, but I figured, I haven't done a video in a long time. And I don't know what this is, but wow, look at that, guys. Velvet pouch. I'm assuming the watch is in there. But what the hell is all this stuff? Oh, okay. This is really cool, guys. This is actually a box for the watch. So I guess this becomes a box. Sorry if my camera's blurry. I'm shooting this on my Samsung Galaxy S8, and it does not like dim lighting. So that becomes a box. These Europeans are very uncanny. That's nice. I like that. So this is actually, I guess, the watch box. How cool is that? So this goes around that, and that becomes the watch box. How cool is that, guys? So it actually does ship with a generic box that's folded flat. So let's get down to the watch. Let me focus that camera, and here it is. Okay, it does come with a booklet. That's kind of cool. Warranty, international warranty, because it's not sold in the US. And this is the caliber H500 AT2390-82L. And this is a chronograph eco drive, and it's ticking. That's kind of cool. So it is, it was just in sunlight. It wasn't stored in a dark room. Now, the funny thing about this watch, the very unique thing about this watch, it's one of the first Citizen watches that measures 38.8. It's 39 millimeters is what it kind of says, but it measures in diameter 39. Let's just say 39. So it's the first under 40 millimeter Citizen watch that's an eco drive, that's a chronograph. Now, you see my previous Citizen videos where all my watches are 45, 44, 46. This is a 39 millimeter watch. And after wearing my Omega Speedmaster Mark 40, which is 39, I wanted another small watch. And when I saw this online, I was like, I gotta get this watch. So That's it, guys. I'm going to wear this on vacation. I'm going to shoot another video on vacation. Show you guys the clasp, how it looks. And next to my 40, it looks kind of big for 39. I'll just put this on for you guys. So, like I said, I'm loving this Zulu strap. The Zulu strap is the way to go. And this is like a Gucci kind of inspired print. I like that. So put that to the side. I'm just going to put this on. Alright, guys, I like this. I'm in love. It's the same size as my Speedy. And it sits in my wrist beautiful. I'm tired of 40 plus. I'm not buying another 40 millimeter plus watch. I'm staying below 40 millimeter. It's the new year. So I'll show you guys that. Take a screenshot. So guys, I like this one. It's good. It's mineral crystal, waterproof. It's flat crystal. Chronograph is, I think, up to 60 minutes or something like that. There's a 24-hour time indicator there. I'm sorry, 24-hour sub-dial there. And the chronograph is up to 60 minutes. I'm sorry for the focus. Chronograph is 60 minutes, I guess. It's a ticker. It doesn't sweep like my previous Citizen Caliber 2100 sweeps. This just ticks. And it doesn't fly back. It doesn't flip back. So it's really cool. Let's do the thickness. It looks pretty thick. It's 11. That's weird. It's thinner than my Speedmaster. My Speedmaster is 13. Here, this is 11. That's really thin. Let's do the lug to lug, because I know you guys will be curious with that. Not the lug to lug, I'm sorry, the lug width. Lug width is about, wait a minute, 19? I might be measuring that wrong. I'm getting, yeah, I think that's 19, guys. It's 19 for the strap. So if you get a strap, it's 19, which is a weird number. I feel like I've seen that number in Citizen watch previously. Like a weird number like 19. So that's kind of cool. Let's do the lug to lug. Because that's going to tell you the footprint. The footprint is an important measurement, I learned. So the footprint in this is exactly 45. When I do the tip of the lug to the tip of the lug. With the crown, it's 42 with the crown, 42.5 with the crown. So that's really cool, guys. So this is my new daily. You know, I have to put the Speedmaster down and try this out on vacation. So, alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Look out for the review for this watch. I'm also getting a Seiko 5. And I think I'm going to get another Omega watch. So look out for those reviews coming soon. I'm going to actually do a review on this NATO strap. I've never had a NATO strap before, but I'm loving the NATO, guys. I'm loving it. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Hey guys, so I got it sized on my wrist. Figured I'd just do a on the wrist shot and quick discussion of first impressions. First off, this is a true sub 40 millimeter watch. It's 39 millimeters, not 40, it's not 40.5, not 41, not 42. It's a true sub 40, which is rare for a quartz chronograph. Google it right now. Try to find any other 39 millimeter, 38 millimeter quartz chronograph or even automatic chronographs. It's rare to get this size in 2019. So I think what Citizen has done here is very unique and very rare. I like the blue. First thing you notice is the blue of the watch. It looks darker blue and brighter blue depending on how it reflects the light, which I love. Subdials are not black. I thought they would be black, but they're chalkboard gray is the best way to describe them. And it looks great contrasting the white subdial hands and the main dial hands, which is hour and minute hands, are pure white, which I love. I don't like the chrome metallics that a lot of watches uses. That makes it hard to read the time and the seconds at certain glances. So the blue is very beautiful. I love the font as well. Everything lines up well. Citizen standards. This is high quality design, good quality design. Love it. So lug to lug, it's 45 from the top to the bottom there. So it sits kind of big on the wrist for a 39 millimeter watch, but because it's a thin watch at 11 millimeters, I think that's what I measured earlier. It sits nice, very comfortable. Now that's my main issue with this watch. You hear that? The bracelet is very rattly, feels cheap on the wrist. I'll tell you why in a minute. Another gripe is the date display window is really hard to read. It's tiny. The numbers kind of like get shadowed out inside there, and the 18 looks like an 8 Wish it was a little bit bigger, even by citizen standards. The pushers and the crown are pretty good. The crown is not a screw-down crown. Let you guys know that. The pushers are very tactile for the chronograph, which is cool. The 24-hour sub-dial hand is not a GMT hand. It just mirrors the main hour hand to help you know which side of noon you're on when setting the time. And it helps setting the time. Makes setting the time very, very easy. So let's take this bad boy off and take a closer look at it. So as you see there, this watch says cased in China. Basically, that means it was made in China. And because I've never had a citizen watch that said that before, that said made in China or cased in China. So because of that, it explains the why the bracelet, sorry for the lighting guys, I'm in the laundry room doing laundry for our trip. Why the bracelet is so cheap feeling. It looks expensive, it's very comfortable. The polished and matte alternating links helps make it, lends a nice expensive appearance to it, but you pick it up, it just feels super light and flimsy. It doesn't have the weight of a high quality item. And they want, I think these are selling online from $300 to $400. I'm sorry, $200 to $300. So the only thing is I would replace the bracelet with a Zulu bracelet, which is what I'm into now. Get a look at the side there. But it's a beautiful watch overall. The design of this watch is very, very well designed. Sub 40 millimeter watch at 39 millimeters. So it's kind of a sweet spot for someone that don't want a big watch, that also wants a chronograph and wouldn't mind wearing a quartz that's solar powered. So there you go guys, that's my first impression. When I come back from vacation, I'm going to do a full video review on this watch to let you guys know what I think of it. By then I probably would have gotten rid of this cheap stainless steel bracelet and put this on a Zulu on its own. I see this in a nice yellow or bright red Zulu. Alright guys, bye.